Hi, so I'm Jessica with American Takii, a breeder of vegetable and flower seed. Takii started breeding cut sunflowers in the 90s, and we're so thrilled and joyful to celebrate our 30th anniversary of cut sunflowers with our Sunrich series, which is available in 5 colors that from sowing to bloom is 55 to 75 days. We also have the Sunrich Summer series, which has 6 colors and blooms a little faster, 50 to 65 days. And one of the exciting bicolors is the Limoncello Summer over here. It's got a vibrant yellow center that transitions to a creamy petal on the outside, which really adds nice bright spring interest. So Takii is thrilled that this is the year of the sunflower. Sunflowers are cheery, they're classic, and whether you've got a nice fresh green center to the classic dark center, they fit in any landscape, and you can cut them for your own bouquets or you can leave them for landscape interest throughout the season. You can find these sunflowers at your local grower, your favorite online retailer, and anywhere that you see people growing sunflowers.